how to turn off screen time on Android without passcode. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to do so without needing the passcode. So let's just dive right in. So on most Android devices, you can head over the settings, open up your device's settings and scroll to the options and go to digital well-being and battery controls. Tap on it. After you go over here, you will be finding your screen time and everything and an option called parental controls. So if you have turned on this option called parental controls, you will need to bypass it using another step. You can just go ahead and remove yourself from the parental control, and that way you can turn off the screen time or digital well-being restrictions. This is the way possible. Or the only way possible is setting up doing factory reset. So for that, on your Android device, you can just head over and go to settings, go to the search at the top, and go over and search for factory reset. Just go ahead and search for it. And once you find factory data reset, tap on it. And you just need to go ahead and tap on factory data reset and confirm it. And when you do, you mean it will delete all the data, or you can just go ahead and do a backup before doing so. And while it deletes all the data, it will also remove all of the screen time restrictions by restarting the phone and bypassing the setup, and that's it. Alternatively, you can even go ahead and disable individual app time restrictions by going to the time app settings and deleting the limit. So for now, you may follow up this method if you'd like to do so. So therefore, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if it was. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.